Hello guys, thank you for jumping onto this video on how to create a growing building effect using the Inshot app. So make sure you stick till the end of the video so as not to miss any of the steps. So with that being said, let's start the tutorial. Add your video to the timeline. Take a screenshot, save the video as drafts and open photo editor. Select the photo and crop out the main photo. Then save the photo. Now open this photo retouch app and select the image. Erase the vertical part of the building. Now save it. Go back to your video timeline. Tap PIP to overlay the photo. Split and delete the excess parts. Tap mask and use linear mask to hide the vertical building. Duplicate the photo. And use mask to expose the building. Repeat the steps again to keep exposing the building little by little. Let's see the final results. If you find value from this video, please leave a like, share, comment down below and subscribe to the channel if you are yet to do so. Thank you so much for watching and much love I got for you. Peace.